Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Airtable for project management. To begin, create your account, and once you've created your account, you'll be brought to your dashboard. Now you can choose whether you'd like to, for example, start with AI, start with templates, maybe migrate any existing projects you already have, or simply start from scratch. For this one, I'm going to choose to start with a template. So to begin, I'm going to click on Start with Templates, and I'm going to select Project Tracker. To begin, I would definitely get rid of this page as I don't see much use for it, at least in my eyes. However, you may need to use it. From here, you can see you have loads of different categories. You can see what people are working on, see work on a Gantt chart, and you can still see what tasks are still due. To see all the tasks in one page, simply click up here on the top, and you'll see view all tasks grouped by project. So from here, we can choose the name of the project. We can select if it's in progress, if it's completed, if it's still planning, if it's been delayed, etc. We can see what we need to do for that project to be done. We can see who it's assigned to. If you are on your own, simply just put your own name. You can see the project leader, same sort of thing. You can just add it to your own name if you're using Airtable for a solo project. Then you can select when it started, when it's been due. You can see the amount of days you have to complete it and the related documents you need to complete the project. And that's basically it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.